Well, I'm gonna practice today. Every day, I wake up, drink coffee, play guitar, try to remember lyrics, buy an investment. Are you guys buying investments every day? You know, a lot of y'all are talking about rebuilding your life after 50. That kind of scary. Like, if you're rebuilding your life and you have kids, how are your kids doing? I hope your kids are doing all right. If you fucked up and you need to rebuild, that means you're probably not really focused on others. How does that work exactly? I'm not focused on rebuilding. I'm focused on chasing my dream of playing music live out in the world. Is that rebuilding? Nah. It's just finding a hobby to do until you can no longer do anything. Most of my energy is spent on making sure my legacy and my kids are taken care of. Which that I think I have under control. So y'all rebuilding. What are you guys rebuilding? I want to rebuild something. Relationships, maybe? I guess that's something that could be rebuilt. Nah. Relationships kind of have to happen naturally, so I'm not going to rebuild any of that. My health? There you go. I could definitely rebuild my health. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So you all are rebuilding your health and probably working on your finances? What else are you rebuilding? I'm trying to think what I should be rebuilding. What should I rebuild? Libido. I could work on my libido. But that's a lot of work. That's like having to go take testosterone and then go to the gym and then do that whole thing. And talk like Johnny Depp and talk about things that women like. Nah, don't need a woman like that. I guess I'm not rebuilding anything. I'm not rebuilding, but I'm building. Maybe it's the rebuild part. What do you want to rebuild? Maybe all that should be gone and you're building something new? Is that what you're doing? I don't know. This is too much for me in the morning. I think I'm gonna go walk my dog.